Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can split screen in Realme devices. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings option, swipe down, you can see there is a special features option, then go to split view. Here it is. You have to swipe up with 3 fingers to enter. Swipe up like this, you can see. Open any of the app like this. You can see I show you. You put the phone like this and you have to, and friends, you can see open another app to split screen, and you have to open any of one app like this. I show you, like Play Store. And friends, you can see both are working. You can see both are working. And if you want to close, just press this. It is in normal. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.